So I just parked on the side of the road. You have to go down this Forest Service road in the Daniel Boone National Forest to get to the trailhead for Dogslaughter Falls. Come here in the summer, not gonna be a lot of parking, so make sure you get here early. It's very, very early spring at this point, and there's hardly anybody here. Just a beautiful day. So I'm gonna take you guys on the trail. So if you're gonna try to make this hike, there are actually two trailheads. One that's 4 miles out, 4 miles back for a total of 8. And then you can go on and get to the 1 mile trailhead. So it's 1 mile out, 1 mile back for a total of 2. So I would recommend the 2 mile trail unless you've got a really, really long time. Honestly, not much to see on the longer trail either. So. This trail's really cool because there's all these little spots where you can get in the water during the summertime when it's nice and warm. Beautiful spots to cool off. When you get to the second creek crossing, you know you're getting close. The last little bit of the trail, that's where it kind of gets a little sketchy, so you got to be careful. It's the only real part that's exposed. I was dipping the lens almost in the water. That's how you know you're pushing it to the limits. Check out this shot. All right guys, so I'm at Dogslaughter Falls. You can see it right behind me there. Just a beautiful waterfall over here in eastern Kentucky. And one that doesn't get as much hype as Cumberland Falls, Eagle Falls, those that may be a little easier to get to. It's about a 1 mile hike down, 1 mile hike back. It is downhill on the way out, so on the way back it's a little more tough. But just a beautiful place, especially in the summertime, where you can come and bring your family, you can swim and just have a really, really good time and not be gone all day. It's just a couple hours round trip. So I'm gonna get the drone out, use my camera, use my cell phone, try to take as much footage as I can. So I hope you guys enjoy.